GitHub and the UNDP teaming up in Ghana?
Exactly. According to the GitHub blog earlier today, GitHub just announced a collaboration with the United Nations Development Program in Ghana to use open-source governance for one of West Africa's biggest digital reform drives.
So this is not just code sharing, but actual government systems built in the open?
That is the idea. They want to use open source not only for tooling, but for transparency and inclusive participation in digital reforms.
Interesting. What kind of development priorities are they targeting?
The partnership is focused on advancing Ghana's own national development goals through digital innovation and open collaboration models.
What was the bottleneck before? Just siloed proprietary systems?
Pretty much. The challenge was that a lot of public digital infrastructure relied on closed solutions, which made it hard for local developers to contribute or audit.
So how does GitHub fit in technically? Are they hosting civic code bases or governance templates?
The report says GitHub is exploring how its platform and its community governance principles can support open frameworks for development and policy work.
That could mean local devs using GitHub issues and actions for tracking reform projects.
Exactly. It turns software practices like version control and pull requests into civic participation tools.
Does it mention any pilot projects or public repositories?
Not yet. The announcement is about collaboration and exploration, so the next steps are framing governance and infrastructure models.
Got it. So the value here is less about a product and more about building an open governance process around technology.
Yes, it is about applying the open source model to national digital policy, which could reshape how developers contribute to public systems.
That could also train local devs in global open source standards while solving real public problems.
Right. It positions Ghana as a testbed for using open platforms to align digital transformation with sustainable development.
What do you think? Drop a comment below.
Next story drops in an hour. Subscribe so you don't miss it.